What have we got today?
Mine?
What have we got?
Mine now?
Say hello. Ready? Are we ready? Are we steady? Wow! What have we got? Look at this. We've got Fireman Sam set. Are we going to open it? Let's show everybody what's on the back. Wow, look. Look inside, Dexter. There's lots of things. Should we open it? Let's open the box. Now I've got some scissors. Now you got to be careful because scissors are sharp. Let's open Fireman Sam.
Open.
Open Fireman Sam. Wow!
Big.
Let's take that off. You don't need that on there. There we go. Is Fireman Sam going inside? Is he going to drive the fire engine? Yeah, let's get them off. Let's put Fireman Sam inside his fire engine. Here we go. Can you get Fireman Sam? There you go, Dexter. Look. Fireman Sam's in his fire engine. And look. Oh, wow. He has a big scissor lift. Do we put the helicopter together? Okay. So we need to put the rotor blades, bit of sticky tape. We need to put them on the top. On the top. Are you ready? Excuse me, Fireman Sam. There we go, the rotors. So pop them in there. 1, 2, and 3. Wow! It spins like a real helicopter. You ready? Oh. Whoa! Is that your truck? Should we put Fireman Sam in his truck? Oh no, you squashed him! Should we put him on the top? Put him on the very top. No! Where's he going to? Does he go to drive the engine? In you go, Fireman Sam. Helicopter. Helicopter! Go, go, go! I think if you press that button, it'll spin. Oh, it's a bit hard. Would you like some help? Are you ready? And there it goes! Wow! Nino, 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 Nino. We've got an emergency. What's our emergency? You've got to be the fireman. You wear the helmet. No, Daddy wear it? Okay. Oh, Daddy's hair. There we go. Nino, Nino. Oh no, Fireman Sam wants to go in his helicopter. Can we put him in his helicopter? Let's put him in his special seat in his helicopter. In you go, Fireman Sam. He doesn't really fit very well. He's a bit big. Let's see. No. No, he's struggling to get in. Because he's got such a big hat on, he doesn't go in properly. That's a bit of a shame. Come on, Fireman Sam, in you get. Here we go, close the doors. Press the button. Are we ready? Here he goes. Bye, Fireman Sam. Oh, he's coming back. Yeah, well done, Fireman Sam. Oh, what about his truck? Should Fireman Sam get in his truck?
No.
Do you want the fire engine? Whoa. That's cool. Should we try Fireman Sam in his truck? Ready, go! There we go. A bit more sticky tape everywhere. Wow, that's a big scissor lift. Big one. Come on, Fireman Sam, in you get. Come on. It's very tricky. Whoa! Come on, Fireman Sam. Making this very awkward. Oh, Fireman Sam! Right, okay, he's in. Here we go. Go, Fireman Sam, go! He's coming back. Here he comes. Hello, Fireman Sam. Where have you been? Whoa, look on the top, Dex. He's got his hose to put out the fires. Nino, Nino, Nino. Oh no, look what's on the top. What are these? Are these? Different colours. What colour's this one? Blue. What colour's this one? White. What colour's this one? Green. And what colour's this one? Brown. And what colour is the fire engine?
Yellow.
That's yellow, yes. The lift is. What colour's the fire engine? What colour's this?
Red.
It is red. And what colour is Fireman Sam's truck?
Red.
It's red, are you sure? What colour's this?
Yellow.
Yellow! What about his helicopter?
Red.
It's red. It doesn't look red, it looks orange. Orange. Ready? Here it goes. Oh, he's going up to the sky!
Oh.
And he's coming back down again. Open the door, there you go.
That's big.
Very big. Is Fireman Sam coming out?
Yeah.
Come on, Fireman Sam, out you come. Is he stuck? Is he a bit stuck? Let me help. There you go, Fireman Sam. There you go. He's out. Is he going in his helicopter? Okay. Oh, your hand's inside. You put Fireman Sam inside. Want me to let it help? In you go, Fireman Sam. There he goes. Close the door. Are you ready? Then press the button. And go, go, go! Whoa, he's flying! He's flying again! Oh no! Go, go, go! Hold on, press the button. Ready? Go, go, go! Bye, Fireman Sam! Oh, it's a big helicopter.
Wow! Ow! It's a banana. So big. So big. So big.
Bye bye, everybody. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Say bye bye.